Hello, I'm Dan Lopez, Product Manager for American Orthodontics. Today I'm going to show you the proper way on how to install the PowerScope Class 2 corrector. PowerScope is a one-size-fits-all appliance, pre-assembled with attachment nuts for quick, easy chairside application. The appliance goes on wire-to-wire and is placed mesial to the first molar in the maxillary arch and distal to the canine of the mandibular arch. To install, first engage the maxillary attachment nut using the wrench provided with the appliance. Please ensure screw tip does not extend past the attachment nut before engaging the wire. Place the attachment nut mesial to the first molar on the maxillary arch wire. A rectangular stainless steel 17 by 25 with an 018 slot or a 1925 with an 022 slot cross-section will provide maximum fit and stability. Placing a finger on the top portion of the nut attachment will also help in stabilizing the nut mechanism when tightening the screw. It is extremely important to note that the right-sided PowerScope uses a reverse thread assembly on both the upper and lower attachment nuts. So, you tighten the screw by turning to the left. This helps avoid screw back out during treatment. The left-sided PowerScope tightens in the traditional way by turning to the right. Also, please note that the attachment nuts do not pinch the wire when properly installed. The nuts hang on the wire and the screw acts as a fourth wall to capture the wire when the appliance is tightened. After tightening the maxillary attachment, engage the mandibular attachment nuts using the wrench. Place it distal to the canine on the mandibular wire and tighten the screw. Crimpable shins can be used to get further activation and advancement during treatment. To remove PowerScope, simply unscrew the lower mandibular screw until the nut assembly disengages from the wire. Repeat the process with the upper maxillary screw, then remove PowerScope from the patient's mouth. For more information on PowerScope, please visit AmericanOrtho.com/PowerScope.